And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
That's right, gang. This is Poppy's Workshop. And although I've got a little bit less fur on my face, I am still Poppy. This is the shop. Okay, this video is hashtag roughcut 2022. I'm going to call it 4 drill bits. Or actually, drills. Or, some people call them drill bits. Now, I understand to many people, this is a drill. What can I say? I just speak the language. I didn't make it up. Okay. Now. Okay, I just had... It's not important. Okay, there it is. Okay, now, if you're working wood, there's help for you, I mean, there are medications and physiotherapies. No, but seriously, if you're working wood, you know what that is. That's a spade drill. Other than that sharp point right there, this sort of looks like a spade. Yeah, well, hey, it's a rusty old thing. Now this is your carbide masonry bit. Drill hole in the cement. Screw up one tile in that old bathroom and no one has them anymore. And you end up stripping off all that ceramic tile in that bathroom and replacing it. And neither you nor your wife are happy with it. Whoa. Okay. Now. Many of you recognize this. Number drills, fractionals, letters, right? 1 through 60, A through Z, and usually it's like 1/16 to a half. Chinesium. Definitely Chinesium. But, I bought them like 15 years ago because I needed a set of drill bits. And it didn't have to be very good. Just a big set. Yeah. I've got this set of number drills. I took the lid off so it would fit in my machinist chest long ago. Anyway, I got these when I was 17. Chicago Latrobe number drills, 1 to 60. There's a bunch broken. Got them when I was 17. I'm 66 now. You do the math. Abused. Yes. Brand new. Feast thine eyes. drill hog. High cobalt. The owner of Drill Hog says, you'll break one before you wear it out. I like that idea. Because I don't break very many drill bits. Wear them out. You know. Oops. That belongs with those drill bits. Okay. So, number 60 drill is pretty small, right? There we go. Numbers 61 to 80. The teeny tiniest of the teeny tiny. Right? You think so? The smallest of these is 13 thousandths. Put it there. Okay, now. I bought this set Okay. The biggest of these is 26,000. It goes 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, and 4 thousandths. 4 thousandths of an inch. All right? That's the holder. And I've got 4 thousandths. 6. Oh, out of order. Out of order. Bailiff, take him out in the court. Take him out in the parking lot and shoot him. He's out of order. 8. 10 thousandths. Now, I didn't get 2 sets. I only got 1 because I didn't need 2 sets. And you do not want to know how much. You do not. In the United States, Auto Fry or Rio Grande. Anywhere else, hang it up. Put you back here. Put you back. You open up a little bit so I can put it back. There you go. Get in there. Okay. 1/64th and up. I got to get below a 16th of an inch. Smallest is 64th. That's 15 grand. And you see loose here, right there by my finger, small metric drills. Yeah, small metric drills. If I recall, from a 1/4 millimeter, small metric, 1/4 of a millimeter. That's teeny tiny, right? This is all going somewhere. I'm not just showing off my shit. I'm doing a serious thing, showing different types of drill bits. And I know they're in here. Maybe I should take off my computer glasses and put on these ones so that I can actually see the. There you are. Where are you? I know you're in there. Ah, here we are. That is a twist drill. It's diamond coated. It's the smallest of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Small holes in glass. You really gotta be. Hole saw. Sort of a drill. Okay, now here is something really rare. I believe it was Chuck Bomarito, outside Screwball, got a set or two of the larger sizes. You know, a couple of sets of the larger sizes of that. That is a combination drill bit tap. The drill bit portion is a little bit larger than the regular tap drill size. You notice it's very short. This is intended for tapping into pipes, conduits, thin stuff. Very cool. Now, a lot of you out there, oh, come on, open up. There we go. See that? One of the 4/1000ths of an inch bits fell out. Come on! I'll put it back in its wrapper later. Oh, wait a minute. That's the one I broke. Okay, yeah. I broke one of the 4/1000ths. Luckily, I only needed them for one job, and they're 3 in a pack. Yeah, and you still don't want to know how much they cost. Now, everybody wants carbide. Feast your eyes. Solid carbide stub drill. In my shop, you've seen my shop. You've seen the small machinery I work with. Carbide is mostly superfluous. Right? Even when I'm working steel, carbide is superfluous most of the time. The big vise I adapted to my Shearline mill, the top surface of the main part of it was case hardened. Okay. The jaws, they were nitrided. They still had the nitriding discoloration in the spots where they didn't figure they needed to grind it all the way. The back of one jaw, back of another one, you know. Not important to grind away the nitriding. scars. And I tried it. And the case hardening on the top surface only of that main part of the vise, you can see it over there. Why aren't you looking? Oh well. Anyway, it was just like that thick. Just enough. Right? I drilled 1032 clearance from the back, because that's where I had features, alignment holes I could be lazy and use. They work good. Anyway, and I drilled and I drilled and I drilled and I drilled. And I got through those 4 holes. I wiped out that 1032 clearance. I mean, I had to resharpen it, and it never was quite the same after that. Anyway, that carbide drill, I needed to counterbore the top surface. And I could afford that carbide drill. And that was the one thing I needed carbide for in here forever, was to get through that case hardening. Otherwise, I wouldn't have that carbide drill. This belongs up here with the taps. Yeah. There you go. Now, one thing I learned, yeah, I'm going to start waffling now. But it might be important waffling, or at least interesting. One of the standard tasks of a clockmaker long ago, I mean, pre-industrial revolution, they'd have to make their own drill bits. And depending on the metal, right, they could use iron if like they were drilling brass, bronze, those soft alloys they use in clocks. If it was steel, they'd have to get a piece of better steel. And just about the only thing in that time that they would need it for is to drill the hole through a pinion. And those were usually made of iron until steel, came in. The steel pinion is a long and this really thin wheel. For the longest time, I couldn't figure that out. Then it finally dawned on me. They had no reliable way to cut the pinion that they liked or could afford. I mean, they didn't have diamond cutoff discs that are like 5/1000ths of an inch thick. Sintered. Talk about expensive. Yeah, expensive. Anyway, that was some drill bits. Drills. All right. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, that was no drill. That was just something black. Okay, you want to know about a big drill? Brian Block at BC Block 02 on YouTube has a radial drill. Big, big, gigantic radial drill. I mean, with proper ramping, you could drive a Cadillac up on its main table and tree pan a nice little hole in the roof. Where you have a mind to do something insane like that. Anyway, now that's a big drill. Good night from California.